What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you guys. Man, look at the cryptocurrency market. Literally, one day red, but the rebound is imminent. Remember guys, my channel is not for financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. Rather, I always just try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. Time and time again, we say the same thing, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Shout out to Raju, jumping into the chat, Hawk's Nest, Big Black Cajun, coming in hot, Deepak, Marco, Omar, Giannis, man, Patty B, Gabriel, my man, Moises, one of the elite members, Ben Adi, man, definitely missed you, Ben. How you doing? John Messino, welcome guys to the chat. Look at the cryptocurrency market right now. Things are looking good. We saw the sell-off, the paper hands left, the diamond hands in, rinse and repeat guys. The market is in cycles. People yesterday were all over the channel telling me, Europop, man, things are just looking so bad. What happened to the momentum that we had going? ETC, guys, things always tend to rebound. This is the reality of any market. Yes, the crypto market is a lot more volatile than any other markets out there, but my goodness, when they panic, we do the same thing every single time. We pounce, SHIB Army, we pounce. So let me go ahead and just make sure everything is set up properly for the stream. And we got some things to talk about today. We got plenty to talk about. I did get my new monitor after I broke mine yesterday, switching from, the living room setup to finally being in a separate bedroom now. So yeah, welcome. Hopefully, slowly but surely gonna build out the background and everything, but we're taking it easy, day by day. How are we doing, Ezra? Hey, yeah, man, we're back on the stream every single day. I try my best. Yesterday I didn't stream, so there's a caveat to that. But I try my best to bring you guys, up to date content every single day, man. Because you guys are the SHIB Army, the best family on YouTube. So a big shout out to everybody. So guys, what is happening right now? It's been the bulls versus the bears. The bears are trying to pull the market down, get people to paper hand out of their positions to get better entry points into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, you name it, any cryptocurrency out there, Cardano. But now everything is bouncing. Literally I don't think there's necessarily any solidified news out there that would tell someone whether to, jump in or jump out. But there's a lot of talk going on lately about specifically, what is that? What was it even called? My goodness. Stock to flow model, I believe. And pardon me if I got that, a little bit of hesitation. And we got Chad Reddings in the chat too. Man, oh man, oh man. We are excited tonight. All right. And real quick, just want to mention for the people that are probably watching this on a replay, I do want to mention the WEBULL link in the description. Go ahead, sign up, get your 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into your WEBULL brokerage account. 4 more days, folks. 4 more days. Take advantage. Pause the stream. Do what you got to do. All right. So why are things looking so good right now in the cryptocurrency market? You can go around and try to find as much news as possible. But if you guys did not tune in last night to my video, I talked about the stock to flow model. Typically, it's a model that is used for commodities. But if you look at stock to flow model, Bitcoin, literally we can just pull up an image. But FX Street, you guys know I love their technical analysis and what they do. But basically, it's right here, what you're looking at. This is the Bitcoin stock to flow model. And this is something that is used in typically, again, things that are store of value. So we're talking gold, we're talking silver, we're talking all of those different things. Now, if you look at the trajectory, where we're at currently is below because again, the reason that this even came about, or this was even a thing that was coined basically, it goes back to the fact that people think that the stock to flow model fits perfectly the price action of Bitcoin. And if we start from way back, 2010, 2011, when Bitcoin was literally under $1, it was in the pennies. It has followed this pattern very, very, very closely. And a big shout out to Tony. He said, thank you so much for your support, my brother. Dropping the $5 super chat. He says, I'm sitting at 300 million Shiba, buried 307 bone, buried 1 leash, also buried, and grab, wait, what is that? And grab you guys some AMP. Love you all, SHIB family. Man, AMP, a lot of people have been telling me about AMP. And let me just make sure I got that fixed. There we go. But yeah, a lot of people have been mentioning AMP. And honestly, because people were looking at it as potentially being a type of cryptocurrency insurance, I believe was a term people were utilizing as a potential form of insurance for the whole Amazon transaction, right? And so that excited a lot of new investors into the space. Now, do I fully understand AMP? Did I do my due diligence after our stream? Not yesterday, but the day before on Sunday night? Not necessarily, but I am still very, very, very excited for how the cryptocurrency market is currently reacting. Now, going back to the Bitcoin stock to flow model. You guys know, as we call it, Big Daddy Bitcoin really pushes the market. Everything follows Bitcoin's pattern typically. It's atypical for a cryptocurrency, especially if you're looking at the top 100 cryptos, to not follow the trajectory, other than stable tokens, to not follow the trajectory of Bitcoin. So you could look at the last 7-day chart, Bitcoin and Ethereum, almost identical. BNB, things might be a little deviated here and there, but typically speaking, everything follows. Bitcoin is green, market is green. Bitcoin is red, the market is red. So if you look all the way across, Dogecoin recovering nicely. Let's see where Shiba Inu is sitting, of course. Currently at 630 Satoshi units. Yep, 630 Satoshi units. A little bit off. Its pattern has been looking a little bit off because honestly, I think it's due to the fact that there is so much FUD circulating the market. So much FUD circulating the market. Now, what are we going to talk about? In my opinion, personally, I still am long and think that Shiba Inu has some strong potential. Are we going to go through bearish times and bullish times? Absolutely. It all depends on the sentiments that are revolving. One of the things I want to address today is Cat. Shiba Token Cat, one of my favorites. Had him on the channel. Chad Reddings also had Cat on his channel. And it's been nothing but phenomenal, right? Good energy, good vibes, but he actually ended up having to leave the Shiba army. And as soon as that happened, there was a lot of FUD circulating. Because people are like, why did Cat leave? What caused him to leave? And so I did retweet his goodbye that he wrote, and I thought it was actually very, very appropriate. So for anyone that's still thinking that he left because of some information that was leaked or something that he didn't like about it, here it is. I want to clear it up once and for all. For anybody that did not have the chance to read the letter of goodbye from Cat, one of the Discord admins, one of probably the biggest voices from all the higher ups, if you will. Excuse me, from all the higher ups from the entire SHIB development team and administrative team, Cat had the biggest voice. Was on Benzinga, brought him on this channel, he's on Chad's channel, has his own Discord channel that he would just go live on and discuss things with the SHIB army. Was very responsive and literally would work day in and day out, morning and evening, throughout every single day. And Ryan Patrick, I see you in the chat. Hope you're doing well, my friend. Now, the fact is that you guys need to understand, Cat did not leave because of any type of information that was leaked, anything negative. So let's clear out that FUD right now on the stream. Let me zoom in so you guys could see a little bit better. But you guys could see, I am leaving Shiba officially, says Cat. I registered yesterday and stepped down, and I'm no longer part of the team and I will not be returning. The thing you guys have to understand is Cat was doing everything he did for the SHIB army 110% voluntarily. Voluntarily. All right? So understand that if someone devotes 7 days a week of his time, every single day, day in and day out, to any type of project and doesn't get paid for it, that is difficult. Because he, out of everybody, and I mean everyone, outside of some of the developers, I think is putting the most energy into this project. So it was sad seeing him leave and part ways, but again, he only had good intentions and good words to say. Because again, he said, I don't have the time to devote myself to Shiba Inu 100%. And without being able to do that, he doesn't want to be part of the administrative team. And he says right here, so why? Time. It's always time. I've been running on free time the entire project. I no longer have that free time. My limit was August, and I would have to make a serious decision at that point anyway. Unfortunately, it has ended, and I have had to take my leave. I am in a complex situation that I would rather not go into. So, he said, what's next? He's not really sure. There are still big things for Shiba Inu, L2, Shibarmy being its own blockchain, and more, he says, etc. Tons to come. And it's always been a community-driven coin, so whether he's here or not, make sure you guys believe in yourself. And that's the number one thing that I want to make sure you guys highlight from this entire article, is that don't always follow or fall into don't always fall into one thing and one thing only, and that is FUD. When someone leaks a piece of information out into the internet, especially the internet, right? Even what you hear on YouTube, I always tell you guys, take everything that anybody says on the YouTube space with a grain or for a grain of salt. Don't necessarily listen to everything that you hear. And just make sure you guys understand, there are a lot more catalysts that are yet to come for Shiba Inu. A lot more catalysts to come. And here, let me go ahead. Someone said there's some fudders. Let me see if I could slow down the stream. Edit. Slow mode. Let's see, live chat. Slow mode activated. We'll do 40 seconds. There. Hopefully less FUD this way. So much FUD these days. Absolutely, there is way too much FUD. And we have almost 400 people in the chat right now. So if you guys haven't already, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and join the SHIB movement and the SHIB army. So again, one piece of FUD that I wanted to clear up first and foremost, because I saw all the comments, guys, on my channel, on Chad's channel, on every single Shiba Inu related content creator. I saw everything out there. So all I can say is time will be the only true test. Shiba Inu right now is lagging a little bit behind the crypto market. I 110% agree. Am I still bullish? Absolutely. Am I worried? Absolutely not. Do I think that we're not going to get listed on these big exchanges that individuals keep saying that SHIB will no longer be listed on? Absolutely not, folks. And all I can tell you guys is I am more excited than I've ever been about this entire project. There is so much yet to come. We're waiting for updates, but there's so much yet to come. After the exchange listings, that is going to be when I think even more uncertainty will happen, because we're going to see Shiba Inu jump up and people are going to start jumping on board saying, why is this thing skyrocketing? Why is the price action looking so positive? It's going to take some time. But for right now, on no news, really, there's not much excitement, right? Other than the fact, if you're utilizing the swap, that's a different story. Because you and I know we've been seeing some pretty significant gains overall. Taking a quick glance at the portfolio, and we look at the portfolio here, right there, you guys can see overall, again, the profit loss, $961.23 profited so far. And there's a lot of whales waiting right now looking for passive income opportunities in Shiba Inu and whatever it might be. They're trying to identify which cryptocurrency to invest in. And when I say whales, I mean billionaires. So when they find a crypto that you can stake, yes, Ethereum, right, with Ethereum 2.0, all these things, yes, there's a definite potential to stake on that platform. But regardless, I still think that this is going to be really, really big. Even after the swaps, events and everything, I still think that the potential is going to be huge. That's all. Wanted to make sure that we're all on the same page. And am I still holding my positions? Someone asked me that. Pop, you're making these videos, you're talking about this and that, but are you still holding? Guys, I will show you. Transparency is important, right? I will show you. 112 million total buried, still buried. 213 million tokens still in liquid holding. Bone, 153 bone currently held. And then when we look at the LP, my liquidity pool tokens, it's going to be 5.53 like it's always been, which is approximately $1,000. So in total, if we look at everything combined, it's probably near $4,000, almost $5,000 put into the swap, diversified across the three different assets on the ecosystem: SHIB, Leash, and Bone. So if you're a fudder or if you're spreading FUD, all I could say, man, just it's better if you stay away from the channel, because we don't need that kind of energy around here. If you have things that you want to share or true concerns, instead of just saying SHIB going to zero, if you have actual concerns, legitimate concerns that you want to discuss, I am more than willing to discuss those things. So let's all make sure we're on the same page, and that's all it is. Have you seen the fear and greed index? Market is getting greedy. SHIB army, the bull run is coming. Ooh, that's one thing I have not looked at today. Oh man, let's check it out. The fear and greed index. Oh, we got something from Chad. I don't know if I'm Oh, let's see what Chad wrote here. Chad, I'll put you on the spot. You're talking about Saitama Inu. I don't know if I'm sold on Saitama Inu's tokenomics yet, but I also recognize it has extremely low market cap equals huge potential upside. Might throw in a few hundred. Just let it sit and see what happens. Man, Chad, I like it. I like it. We have a lot of talking about. What is the marketing budget? Oh, we got T-Dog. A clear number. Oh, man. That's something I feel like we need to discuss. I feel like we definitely need to talk about Saitama Inu. And I actually pulled up. I don't have its price action. I know this is a SHIB only live stream. People are like, don't talk about anything but SHIB. But really, I've been very impressed. I have been very, very impressed. And am I tempted to buy in, guys? Oh, man, you know it. You know it. Absolutely. Chad says, can I post a link? Yeah, Chad, post a link. Because I was going to look at Bitcoin fear index. I always look at Bitcoin greed and fear and greed index. This is the thing I always reference on Twitter. But yeah, if you have any updates, I would love to see it. But it seems like every day it's getting a little bit less fearful and more greed, which I love. I love seeing greed. Even though that's a time we need to be a little bit fearful, still exciting. Alternative fear crypto. Here we go. Ooh. All right. Let's pull it up here. Crypto fear and greed index. Wow. So it's pretty neutral right now, huh? This seems like it's very up to date. Jumped 18 points today. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. The bulls might be coming out. Based off the price action right now that we're seeing, look at Bitcoin's price action. Just the last, I don't even know. Just the 1 day chart. Look at this. We went from 36 up to nearly almost a 10% rise from the bottom today. Up 7.26 on the 24 hour. Things are looking good. Wow. Green candle after green candle after green candle. Yeah. Bulls are winning for sure. 100% bulls are winning. SJ828, doing good, my friend. How are you? SSLP, man. And guys, I just want to put a side note. Sorry for all the people spreading the FUD. I see. Shout out to the admins, by the way. Ben Audi, taking care of all the FUDders that are spreading just the negativity. I wish I can just. I'll try my best to maybe hop in and let's see. There we go. I think there's a way to just keep them out, but just remember, 9 times out of 10. There's a lot of positivity, but again, that 1 time out of 10 is the one that is typically, the ones that are lingering. So what else do we need to address? Because I feel like the cat thing caught a lot of people off guard. We were expecting Cat to be one of those guys that's always there, just the energy that he provides and puts in. I truly love it. And shout out Umayma, live on a Tuesday. What a blessing. Sometimes we have to do it. Maybe not the longest live streams, but still. And JJ, man, of course, we are back at it. We are back. 100%, my friend. SHIB and Saitama, friends, not foe. Yeah. And honestly, just real quick. So other cryptocurrencies that I bought during the dip, outside of Bitcoin, I bought Cardano. I bought quite a bit of Cardano. Really bullish on Cardano. And it's been looking really good the last 7 days. Ethereum, you guys know I love Ethereum. Love their blockchain, love VB, love their whole team. So yeah, aside from SHIB, there's still a lot of other tokens that I'm very bullish on, but SHIB obviously has been, pretty much number one. What's up, G Money? How are you doing? The zeros need to go. Yeah, we need those zeros to get eaten. Some people just want to get rich. Action and patience. Research, action, and patience. Shannon Street coming in with the knowledge. 110%. Very, very well said there, Shannon. Very, very well said. Cardano going to blow up when the smart contracts come out. Chad, I hear you, brother. I am with you, man. Man, I am so excited. I'm so excited for everything to slowly but surely wake back up in the crypto market. Things are going to start looking really, really good. G Money, I am doing great. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Patiently waiting on the sidelines here as the crypto market is starting to look better and better each and every day. came on today because I noticed, throughout the whole YouTube space, when I was at work today, especially during breaks, I kind of just looked at how comments were looking and overall sentiments. And people were really upset that eToro didn't list SHIB this Monday. And again, you guys know they're telling us just patience, and people don't have patience. And I know people who also came out and said, they're getting burned by Shiba Inu because of the little sell-off, but it's the same thing. Like, if you're invested into these things and you believe in them, you're not going to worry about a dip. So that's all I want to mention. Dollar cost average. Jason said it right. I'm all about dollar cost averaging in. 100%, my friend. DCA. Wow, Bitcoin's about to hit 40,000. Might as well just watch the price action. Wow. Thoughts on Binance 500 million Shiba Inu tokens? Pop, what are your thoughts on Binance buying 500 million Shiba Inu tokens? What do you mean by that? I didn't even know that was a thing. Binance buying 500 million Shiba Inu tokens? That'd be 365 billion? Is that what you're referring to? I'm just not quite sure. $500 million USD in SHIB. Is that true? Binance bought that much? How come I never ever heard of that? That's weird. Shout out Brandon Dolan coming in. He says, with the $5 super chat, thank you so much for your support, Brandon. Man, really appreciate it. He says, hopefully this starts going up 0.001. Yeah, honestly, this is, for me at the very least, I think that we will see all-time highs very, very soon, guys. It's going to take a couple more listings. We're going to have to be patient for eToro to list and also for Coinbase Pro to relist. I know people are worried. They're uncertain, but time, literally time will be the only true speaker, right? Because right now there's FUD. There is a little bit of FUD. But I'm just trying to come out here and tell you guys that, hey, holding every single token strong, not even considering selling a single one of my tokens. And Brian Edwards, wow, thank you so much for the $15 super chat. Brian, you have just been always supporting, so thank you so much. He says something's afoot. Binance bought $500 million worth of SHIB and the price didn't move. Amazon mentioned with SHIB, MATIC, AMP. Whales are picking up winners and losers, methinks. We need to look into that. And thank you, Kenley TV, for dropping the $2 super chat. I appreciate you, my friend. Thank you guys so much, by the way. Really appreciate you all. But let's go ahead and look into that, Bryant. Amazon mentioned with SHIB. That's something I didn't even hear about. And Kiem Tran, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Appreciate your support, my man. Thank you, Tran. But how come I didn't hear about that? Rigor Mortis was telling me something about it. SHIB and Soul Imperial Beats. Oh man. Coming in hot with the $50 super chat. Thank you so much, my brother. Give me 1 second, I'll check it out, Sheb. Amazon. Is Amazon accepting Bitcoin? Oh, you're talking about the Amazon mention. I think that's what you meant, Bryant, right? Let me look into that. But you know what I'm also thinking? You guys might call me crazy. But what I'm also thinking is what we might see with the bigger SHIB. Because I want to figure out. So Binance, you said Binance buys Shiba Inu. Is this something that was maybe confirmed via like a non-official news source? Purchase 75 trillion Shiba Inu to IBP. Wait, what's this? International Business Times. I don't know if this is actually a valid source. I'm just Googling right now. Binance purchases 75 trillion Shiba Inu coins by paying $500 million with a question mark. So they're not even certain. Cryptocurrency trading app Binance has allegedly bought the dip by purchasing 75 trillion coins of Shiba Inu in the largest ever pump the meme currency has witnessed in 2021. Reports state that Binance, wait, what? Shiba Inu in the largest pump ever pump the meme currency as witnessed in 2021? Okay, that's weird, but reports state that Binance picked up 75 trillion Shiba Inu coins to its wallet by paying staggering $500 million. Is this factual? Looks like it was tweeted out on Reddit. Binance 8, is that them? What? What? Is this actually fact? Can anybody verify this at all? And let me know if there's like an official source, because I see this is a repost from Reddit, and I've never heard of this IB Times. But if that is a true fact, wow! And someone just said Bitcoin broke 40,000, guys. The bulls are out. The bears are losing. And hold on, man. Let me acknowledge some of these super chats. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin bulls are out. Crypto bulls are out, man. Forget the FUD. Forget the FUD. People are like, oh, Amazon isn't accepting. All right, paper hand. Sell out all my cryptocurrency investments. I'm out. And now we're going right back to where we were. And so Imperial Beats, let me go ahead and acknowledge, man, the $50 super chat. Thank you so much, my brother. He says, hey, Pop, what's your take on Shiba Inu being one of the coins Amazon uses? Seen in Rig's last video, and the info seems to be from a reliable source. So Rigor Mortis did. So he was telling me about it a little bit. It was just I was at work, so I didn't get like any official information. But is it possible? It is. And if that happens, you know where we're headed, folks. We're heading directly to the promised land. So what I want to figure out is I should just text him, see if he's available to hop on with me. Because what I'm wondering is if that's true and could be one of the cryptocurrencies that Amazon utilizes, right? Because right now, this is the one thing that we know is a 100% fact. So Amazon hiring crypto. If you just literally Google that, you'll see right here. There's a job posting via LinkedIn, Seattle, Washington. Digital currency and blockchain product lead via officially LinkedIn. 5 days ago, they posted this listing. And they're looking for, other positions all through Amazon. AWS crypto, AWS blockchain, all these job postings that are directly on the website there. So what we need to realize is they are looking to get into the crypto space and to get into the crypto space quickly. This is not something that they're looking for long term. This is something they're looking for now. So, in my opinion, do I think that it's possible for Shiba Inu to be a cryptocurrency that they utilize? Based off the fact that, so if you guys look on Shiba Token, right? If you go on shibatoken.com, the official website, and you read through the wolf paper, it talks about the Amazon smile, right? And I know that created a lot of information right here, the rescue. So the cool thing is the SHIB developers early on decided, hey, we need to figure out in any way, shape, or form to give back, right? Giving back is going to be one of the big things that they want to look into. And so this rescue piece from Amazon Smile, you could see that from the tips of their noses to the ends of their tails, Shiba Inus are intelligent, brave, and dependent with an equal propensity for loyalty and mischief. Sadly, the characteristics which make them extraordinary are the same ones which make them a challenging pet. Inexperienced owners can find themselves unprepared for a dog that's known for its bold, stubborn personality. Luckily, we are helping those dogs in real life. We use Amazon Smile to collect and donate a percentage of your Amazon purchases to the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. Joining is easy and free. Just use smile.amazon.com. So the fact is, early on, before Shiba Inu had ShibaSwap, before the SHIB community even started taking off, they wanted to figure out a way to give back, and they utilized Amazon's platform to do so. Now, could that tell Amazon, from their perspective, hey, we want to know more about this whole Shiba Inu token thing and why they decided to use our platform instead of any other? Because this helped, from the SHIB army, nearly 600. Are we at 600,000 members, by the way, now? 600,000 members utilizing and holding SHIB token currently, and potentially helping out and using this smile.amazon.com rescue me feature. It may be possible. Now, I know this is completely a side point from the actual potential of a partnership or collaboration, but I don't think it's something that we need to rule out ever. Because any cryptocurrency that has a huge community backing will help any type of retailer. Retailer being, as you guys saw, why did Shiba Inu get accepted as a form of currency for that one e-commerce company, right? Let's go back to my YouTube channel real quick because I made a video about this. And BD's in the chat. BD dropping the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, BD. Hold on, let's go ahead and go to videos. Give me 1 sec. I feel like I've been missing some chats, but so Imperial Beats, we'll get back to the Amazon thing in just a second. I don't want to miss anybody. And again, thank you guys so much. All the people that have been clearing the FUD, you know, only commenting positivity. That's what it's about, guys. That's what it's about, fam. And Ger Yang, I swapped 400 million SHIB for 882 bones. 3 days later, I swap it back to SHIB, and I end up with 446 million SHIB. That's a win. Wow, Ger Yang. There you go, man. Sometimes you get your winnings, so congratulations, my friend. That is awesome. That is really, really awesome. And BD says, BD in the house. So hypothetically, I hit 2.5 million in Kishu or Shiba, which I swapped for. How do I get out of the swap to my bank account? Thanks, bro. So hypothetically speaking, he says. So BD, you hit $2.5 million in Shiba Inu or SHIB, which I swapped for. So what you'll need to do, BD, at that moment is what you'd probably have to do is swap your SHIB or your, unless there's a SHIB USD, which eToro is going to potentially have on their platform, or Coinbase. Coinbase or eToro, as centralized exchanges, if they list USD SHIB combos, which we know Coinbase already did, and we know that ShibaSwap, Coinbase Pro did when they listed, and eToro will have probably that combo. We know what it's done before. So at that moment, you can switch your Shiba Inu to USD. So you can have it as fiat currency when that pair is made. For Kishu Inu, you would have to swap it for a different crypto, being whatever other pairs there are, mainly Ethereum. Swapping Kishu for Ethereum or Shiba for Ethereum if there's no Shiba USD. But at that point, when you have that much more, that $2.5 million, hopefully, my man, you should be able to swap it via either switching it to Ethereum, then you could switch that to USD or whatever. So I hope that makes sense, BD, but that's what you'd have to do. You wouldn't be able to just directly cash out unless there's a Shiba USD pair for a swap, right? Or being able to sell directly for USD. But right now, there is not anything available like that. And also, Jared Murray, five-year investment, he says. Everyone loses their minds in 5 minutes volatility swings. Good Lord, at least try turning those paper hands to cardboard. Jared, that's all I'll say. You speak the truth, my friend. In my opinion, I am right there with you. Here it is. So this e-commerce company, I forgot the name of them. Let me go ahead and just forward through. Shopping.io. So they decided to accept, so they use cryptocurrencies, of course, to utilize e-commerce, where you can do things, on Amazon, Walmart, eBay, things of that nature. But for some reason, they saw the community backing behind SHIB, and typically they only allow you to utilize cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, the big ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bigger cryptos, more well-known ones. But Shiba, they decided out of nowhere, they saw the backing, they saw the following, so they joined in. So I say this, and So Imperial Beats, again, if we can talk about what that source was, I'll touch base with Rigor Mortis and see what he meant. Maybe we can even click on his video. But regardless, I think that the Amazon potentially using SHIB or accepting SHIB as a form of currency or partnering with them in any way, shape, or form with the community backing that we have is very, very much possible. Again, just my opinion, never financial advice, of course. Just trying to put you guys on, man. And if you haven't already, we have 675 people in the chat right now. Please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, enjoy the journey, family. Join the journey. Let me see. What is Rigor Mortis up to anyway? I liked the video. I didn't even get to really watch it all the way through. Let's see if I can. Give me 1 sec here, folks. Let's see if we can scroll through. Oh, Shaitoshi retweeted it. Very excited if Amazon decided to accept SHIB. I think the SHIB army would be as well. I mean, technically, you can use it now via shopping.io, exactly. So I guess it isn't far-fetched. So Dell crypto, that's potentially the source. So let's go ahead and go to Shaitoshi's Twitter and see what's going on there. And Douglas, thank you so much for the $5 super chat, my friend. Douglas says, I think I think we should have a Shiba Inu party and bring the whole SHIB army out, and then the whales will really invest. They see how much support the token has. Man, I definitely think so. Definitely agree with that. 110%. That would be awesome. A real, like, you know, something that would be all over the news. Not a virtual party. Imagine having an in-person party in middle of, I don't know, downtown Chicago or downtown LA. And then the overwhelming amount of individuals would show up. It'd be insane. I know we're worldwide. I know we're global. Or maybe we can find somewhere central across the globe. Literally get on all the headlines in the world. Cryptocurrency party, you know, initiated by the Shiba Inu movement. Let's go ahead and look into this, because I wonder if that retweet, here it is. So Amazon denies plans to accept Bitcoin. This is in line with my sources who say Amazon is currently investigating several projects with plans to accept crypto payments from at least 2 cryptos in 2022. So far, the rumored projects I have heard are SHIB, AMP, Matic, and Hawk. Medical student, huh? Stock market analyst, crypto analyst, entrepreneur. So this is our source for right now, it seems like. But that's so interesting that SHIB was listed there. I mean, it doesn't surprise me, but that is super interesting. It looks like a lot of people were tagging, so that's pretty awesome. But hey guys, if this happens, forget every single price prediction, anything that you guys might have expected. Because remember, what is Amazon? How much is the valuation of this company? Amazon stock price. The valuation right now of Amazon as a stock is 1.83 trillion US dollars. So think about that. The reason it is that, you know, you look at price to earnings ratio, all these things that we're not going to really talk about right now, but you guys know I'm a huge fan of stocks. But really, when you see these kind of things and a big retailer, big e-commerce behemoth, the biggest in the world, accepting SHIB as a form of currency or payment, game over. Forget every other price prediction that you've ever seen on anywhere, YouTube, anything. That would be insanity, because Amazon is a beast, and the amount of users, the amount of people that utilize this platform, me, I bought this monitor that I'm using right now after mine broke yesterday, literally directly from Amazon.com. So all of us use Amazon, and it's not only here in the US, people use it outside of the US as well. So keep that in mind. And guys, all I could say is that would be crazy, but I would not be surprised. Be prepared, not surprised. You guys know that's my favorite saying. Chad Redding says that's more than the entire cryptocurrency market right now. Amazon's market cap as a single company is worth more than the entire cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, SHIB, Ethereum, everything in combination. So try to take that into consideration. This is Bitcoin being a legal tender of a country's now potentially economy, right? It's currency. Legal tender. Amazon is still bigger than that, and everything else that falls in this market. Bryant Edwards dropping a $25 super chat. Thank you so much, Bryant, man. Your support is unparalleled, and I really appreciate you. And again, of course, So Imperial Bits, thank you as well, and everybody else that's tuned in. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's get this video out to more people. Man, oh man, crypto is too complex for the masses to comprehend, so you need a meme coin with utility for mass adoption. Bitcoin is too valuable to buy stocks on Amazon, so you would need a meme, and you need infrastructure and insurance, AMP and Matic, MATIC. Bryant, that is very well said. And remember, the big thing that is going to attract a lot of investors, new people that are coming into the crypto space, is the fact that, again, this was such a great marketing strategy from the developers. And that is, look at the price of SHIB. 0.00000. There's 5 zeros after the decimal. That makes it very attractive, because you could say, hey, I own 1 million tokens of this crypto. I own 100 million tokens of this crypto. I own 1 billion tokens of this crypto. So when we see that kind of thing, that should give us, that would get a lot of newbies that are coming into the space. What am I going to be more attracted to? Buying, something that I can have a bunch of, or have Or should I actually instead have 0.000001 Bitcoin? Honestly, it ends up being the choices, of course, the investors, but some are more attractive than others, especially those that have true utility. So remember, right now, a lot of the hype and a lot of the buying pressure that has come about for Shiba Inu has been solely from hype. The actual true whales that are looking for passive means of income, in addition to their investments, are going to start realizing that, hey, Shiba Inu might be a very, very good option to get into because of the fact that we can utilize things like their swap mechanics and make even more money on our initial investment. Just my 2 cents. And a big shout out to Mr. James Stalker and also Douglas Pinky. Thank you both so much. James Stalker says, just wanted to say, what's up and good night. Thanks for being here and doing what you do. You're awesome. And Chad is awesome too. Man, Chad is fantastic. Guys, we're planning something fun. Hopefully, this weekend might be a little bit rough, but we're going to try to make something happen. I'll be traveling again. So, yeah, I know. Traveling all the time. Every weekend, it just seems like I'm traveling somewhere. But we're going to try to make something happen. We're going to try to get Chad Redding, either on his channel over there or have something over here. We're hopeful and, really excited to make something happen. Douglas Pinky says, let's put a Shiba party together. Chad, what's up? Hey, I think we could do it. We're going to have to do a lot of coordination. Make sure to smooth things out. But I think it's very, very much possible. New Hampshire here. Orc Cloud, Shot, George, Crozier. I haven't seen you in a while, George. Welcome to the chat, my man. WSG. Check out when you're done gloating about Shiba Inu. WSG. Not even sure what WSG is. Bird City Fake. Pop, great context. I have 1100 bone. You think it will go up soon? Cody Keeling with 1100 bone. Man, big position. And again, as a governance token, if Shiba Inu succeeds as a platform, Bone is going to succeed as the governance, as the voice token. Cody, that's my opinion. That's why I hold a decent amount of Bone. For liquidity pairs, let's see. So just currently buried 153 Bone. And I also have in the analytics, if we go to portfolio, also holding 154 bones here. So I have about 300 bone total. A little less than what you have. A lot less than what you have. But again, I am very, very excited for what Bone has to offer. And again, I think it has some big, big potential in the short and long term as well, of course. So can anyone confirm this, that Binance bought 75 trillion coins? Binance didn't purchase all those tokens. If you open up a Binance account and then you decide to transfer your SHIB tokens to Binance from your private wallet, those tokens will show up on Binance's wallet. Binance didn't buy them from you. You are still the owner of those tokens, said the user. However, Binance has not given an official confirmation if they indeed purchased 75 trillion Shiba Inu tokens or transferred them to their wallet in the form of exchanges. Shiba Inu had recently launched ShibaSwap, making it easy for investors to buy coins directly than dependent on third-party apps such as Uniswap and Pancake. We know that. So yeah, looks like there's still questions. We need to get the confirmation, but if this is true, oh boy, am I excited. And a big shout out to M. Anderson dropping the $5 super chat. He says, your pop, I always look forward to your live streams. Keep up the hard work, brother. Paper hands keep selling and I'll keep buying. Let's go Shibarmy, 1.5 billion. What a position, M. Anderson, man. Guys, all I could do is try to bring as much positivity to the space and keep you guys, just in line with what I'm doing every single day. So again, M. Anderson, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. And the bulls will prevail, says Stephen Belair. Shout out to Stephen. And Arthur Larkin. International Business Times ran the story about Binance purchase of 1 trillion SHIB tokens, or $500 worth. International Business Times, the IBT. Yeah, that's the one I was reading from. I think that was the direct one, IBT. Which I've never really, again, it's unconfirmed, but if this is true, oh man, that will be insane. Check Shiba Twitter. Someone said check Shiba Twitter. Let's go ahead and check it out. But this is big. Where's Shiba Twitter? Meet Kevin. Don't forget ADA. Cardano. Love Cardano. You guys know I love Cardano. One of my favorite projects. And the whole idea behind smart contracts, oh boy. I can't see anything about... Thank you for creating this awesome video, rigor mortis. What happened here? I can't even see it. The official SHIB Twitter. Whoops, sorry. SHIB. Oh man, I think that I have like... It's SHIB, right? SHIB. SHIB Informer. It's the easiest way to do it. Following SHIB. 5 hours ago. Did you guys see this, Shibarmy? Some big nose for SHIB. Huh. So even the official SHIB Twitter tweeted it, huh? Okay, that's pretty big news. Okay, I'm going to definitely dig into this. Not financial advice, guys. We are at a discount right now, guys. Says GSH everything. Not financial advice, but I totally agree. I totally agree. But hold up. So the official SHIB Twitter tweeted about this. 75 trillion SHIB tokens by paying 500 million. Man, that's actually insane then. That is insanity, folks. Holy moly. And so Imperial Beats, man, I don't know what you're doing today. All I could say is thank you, man. Dropping yet another $50 super chat. You guys, man, really, I can't imagine. Check Etherscan, says Stephen Belair. We will check it out for sure. So Imperial Beats, in my opinion, Satoshi knew Amazon was talking SHIB would be possible. Hence, the amount of coin originally put in circulation and why he was against the burn. Also, Jeff and Elon are in competition, so it would make sense that he would use Shiba and not Elon's Doge. You guys are bringing up some very, very valid points. So Imperial Beats, that is actually insane, dude. Guys, like, you just gave me goosebumps, man. Because that makes so much sense. Yes, Jeff Bezos stepped down, but him and Elon... I see Elon's tweets about Jeff Bezos. I shouldn't say tweets. He indirectly tweets about him. And I think it's the funniest thing. But Jeff Bezos, you know, both the two wealthiest men in the entire world, publicly known, I should say. Two wealthiest men in the world. It makes sense. And I could really see that now. It's like, wow, actually. Dang. So Imperial Beats, you need a lot of coin to use for a currency. That is 100% factual, man. So Imperial Beats, you're up to something. You're up to something. Man. So Imperial Beats. Hashtag, yeah, everybody. Hashtag So Imperial Beats in the chat for sure. Showing so much love tonight. Thank you so much, my brother, man. The dog fight. And we're going to be right there in the middle of it. Hopefully seeing some nice winnings. All right. All right, all right, all right. Man. You left us with that kind of bombshell? Okay, hold up. I feel like, man, we need to talk. I need to go dig into this. What I need to dig into this whole Binance thing, because if this is true, actually, I'm not gonna even deny it. I'm not, you know, I think it's actually legitimate. The official SHIB Twitter, because they're very careful, by the way. This official, the verified account, never just randomly tweets things. So guys, for anybody that has not invested into Shiba Inu, not financial advice, but if this is 100% fact, and if you start thinking about what So Imperial Beat said about, I need to buy some more. Pop, are you pouncing right now, G Money? G Money, I'm holding right now, but I don't know. I feel like I need to pounce. Folks. Whew. An eToro listing is coming. Coinbase listing is coming, which is going to make those big whales that have been waiting right there. They're literally waiting for that piece of news to click buy. And I'm talking not hundreds of millions of tokens, not billions, probably in the trillions. The buying pressure is on. And I know things have been looking bearish, folks. I know things have not been looking as good as we want them to look. Right? If we look at the last week, it's been mainly just a downtrend when we were at 870, 880 Satoshi units. But my goodness, all the things discussed today, I think it's one of those things, you know, as we've been saying, when they panic, we pounce. Let's do it, Pop. G Money. G Money. I will do it. I will do it. I think I need to buy more SHIB token. 620 Satoshi units? That seems so undervalued. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. I need to buy more. I'm trying to still build out that position to 1 billion. Kenley TV. Wow, dropping the $20 super chat. Kenley, thank you so much. Says, hey, Pop, thank you for helping out the SHIB crypto community. And check out Everrise token on BSC. I think it's a great project and it will do great soon. What is that? Everrise token. Let me write that down because I'll definitely look into that and do some research about it. Everrise. I've never heard of it. But Kenley, thank you so much for your support. I know you're always in the chat, man. Really appreciate you. One more time. Everrise support. Everrise support. No, Everrise token. Everrise token. DD. I got you, my man. I'll look into it. And thank you so much again for your support. And Cali Ranch says check out Yoshi's token and tell me what you think. I haven't heard of that one, but I could definitely look into it too. I have a list of cryptos, but I know SHIB right now is really the thing that we've been focusing on, folks. Really, Shiba Inu token. So for the Shiba Inu token holders, guys, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. And we did reach 600,000 holders. This is yesterday. We just reached 600,000 holders in the Etherscan. Thanks, Shibarmy, once more. Wow, 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 wow. Let me retweet this real quick. Man, I am super hyped. Okay, guys, sky's the limit. Honestly, no, sky is not the limit. Sky is the beginning. Only the beginning. Let's go, Pounce, Danny Lima says. So Imperial Beats also dropping a $5 super chat. And again, Danny Lima, thank you so much for your support, my man. So Imperial Beats with the $5 super chat. And he says, notice Doge wasn't even mentioned in that list, Pop. Just SHIB, Matic, AMP, and the other one. It's on purpose, in my opinion. Man, make sure you look at that. The right Everrise token says living without sexes. There's a scam out there too. Okay, we got to be careful. So many scams, man. But So Imperial Beats, you're so right. You are so right. From that Twitter, from the tweet that Rigor Mortis mentioned in his video. Right here. Or Shaitoshi retweeted too. Retweeted it. Okay, we got a lot to discuss. Oh my goodness. But I can't stream for longer. Goodness, guys. Oh man, I wish I could stay on all night. Okay, wait. G Money. G Money. I think it's time. I think we're going to buy more SHIB. 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 SHIB token. All right, give me a sec. Give me a sec. We got to do it. We got to do it. Man, we have to. I was hoping for a little bit more of a drop, but you guys get me too hyped. You guys get me too hyped. Diamond hand mentality. All day, every single day. All right, hold up. Bryant Edwards dropping the $10 super chat. Thank you so much, Bryant, man. Really, you guys have been insane tonight. Thank you all so much. And he says 1 USD equals 14,032 IDR Indonesian rupiahs. But how many SHIB can you buy if you're in Indonesia or Iran? SHIB seems to be about the economic empowerment. And as I understand it, SHI will be priced at 0.01. That stable SHI token. Bryant, guys, really, everything that people have been saying tonight, you guys are just really bringing in so much knowledge and information that really needs to go out there to more people. So what Bryant said there, it's so powerful. So many third world countries, especially in Africa, where I come from, $1 US. Because I'm Sudanese, right? Look at this, guys. Just to bounce off what Bryant just said. $1 US. Wrapping up. $1 US. This is the last thing we're going to end with. 1 USD is equal to how much Sudanese pound? SGD. No, that's Singaporean dollar, sorry. Sudanese pound. Look at this, guys. 1 US dollar is equal to 446.5 Sudanese pounds. If you go back in time, when I went to Sudan for the first time after I was born there, I went back in 2007. 1 US dollar was 5 Sudanese pounds. Economies across the globe are getting destroyed because of corruption, whatever. I'm not going to get into it. But especially in Sudan, I will be 100% transparent because that is my homeland. There is so much governmental corruption, and it really, really sucks. It hurts. It really hurts the fact that I have family members out there that are struggling to make ends meet because of the currency that they're making, the amount of money based off their federal government-funded positions. So being doctors, teachers, anything out there, their economy is hurting. And it's not the only country. So many countries out there. Indonesia, as he pointed out. Iran, like Brian Edwards said. Their money is becoming worthless. And the fact is cryptocurrencies are going to hopefully empower them. Look what Jack Dorsey said during the B Word conference, the Bitcoin conference. He mentioned the big thing that he highlighted is the fact that Africa, right? The whole thing that he mentioned about Africa and the destruction in the economics in third world countries and the potential that crypto has in terms of the mining infrastructure, utilizing solar power. Because yes, the one thing that we do have for sure in Africa is really, really hot days and a burning sun all the time. Take that from me. Trust me, I go there as often as I possibly can because I love it. Although it's impoverished conditions and everything, it's still one of the most lovely places that I've ever been to because again, that's what I see as family and what I see as my ancestry. And I don't want to go off on a tangent. But regardless, the fact is crypto will empower nations. Those who've been destroyed for the last, centuries and centuries. It's hopefully time to start seeing something new. And could Shiba Inu, as a community-driven crypto, be a solution to a lot of these things? Brian, I 110% agree with what you stated there, man. 110% agreed. And Ali Suleiman says, Ahmed, I'm from Sudan too. Man, welcome, my friend from Sudan. Ahlan wa sahlan. I don't want to start talking Arabic, but guys, I do speak Arabic. I am actually bilingual. My Arabic is not as good, but English is better than Arabic, but I do speak a little bit of Arabic as well. But man, oh man. Yeah, I definitely think it's time to pounce. I definitely think it's definitely time to pounce. Let's go here. But I do have to go eat dinner, guys. I have to go eat. The wife made some delicious food. So let's quickly do a short swap. Swap Ethereum to SHIB tokens. And yes, SHIB is my fave all the time. Let's go ahead and buy how much? So 1,000, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million. If we could do 75 million. 750, 7,500. 7,500, did I do that right? 7,500, 75,000, 750,000, 75. All right, I think that's 75 million. 75, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. We're gonna buy 75 million SHIB. Oh, insufficient. Dang it, I need to get more Ethereum. Okay, hold up. Let's do 25 million then. Swap. Let's do 25 million for now. Is that 25 million? No, it's not. That's 2.5 million. I'm trying to do this too fast. I can't get to, okay, wait. 25K, 250K, 2.5. Yeah, I can't do 25. Okay, let's just do 10 million for now. There we go. Swap. And I'm going to increase my position size or my buying power. And then I'm going to put some Ethereum because I have Ethereum outside of my wallet, still on Coinbase. A few Ethereums, which I should be putting in my wallet for days like today. But let's go ahead and just buy a little bit of SHIB. But I'm going to buy more as soon as I get more buying power. And I'll update you guys, of course. Miner fees are high right now. Oh, God. Oh, I thought it said $60 for mining fees. $13. Oh, I can't even pay that mining fee. Sheesh. All right, there we go. Swap submitted. Woof. When they panic, we pounce. Day by day, moment by moment. It's just going to take time, but guys, every single day we're looking to potentially pounce. We're trying to find opportunities out here. We are trying to look for those opportunities. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to look into that Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, but Binance information about buying SHIB. And I'll probably be uploading another video tonight just for you guys, a little extra. But thank you guys so much, man. Pay my miner fees. I got you living with Dallas, Texas. But we're pouncing left and right. Shout out to the SHIB Army for tuning in tonight. Thank you guys so much for hopping in on this weekday. I'll be back probably in a little bit with a video dedicated just to that 75 trillion token purchase from Binance. Let's get that fear of missing out started because guess what? Now we're going to hopefully start seeing this thing slowly but surely recover. eToro listing is coming. Coinbase listing is coming. Wait for the Robinhood IPO. Robinhood listing is coming. You heard it here first. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Much love to the SHIB Army, everybody. Soul Imperial Beats, Brian Edwards, Chad Reddings in the chat, G Money, all the elite members and everybody else that tuned in. Smash that like button before you leave. Subscribe to the channel where we only bring positivity. And until next time, everybody, I see you, GP and Arthur. Keep investing.